This is a one beer project. That's it. So simple, you could do it too. So let's get started. Now here's the before shot. Good and dirty, very well used barbecue shelves. Now here's the after. Complete night and day difference. Another before picture for you, and the after. Absolutely incredible. Amazing what a little elbow grease and one beer can do. To restore the shelves, I use mineral oil. I'll put the ingredients for that in the description box. My wife made it for me. She's incredible. Until next time, everybody, have a great day. Keep barbecuing, America. Cheers.